Okay, let's consider the question that we have on the board. The square root of 5, square root of 5, square root of 5 is equals to 125 to the power of x. We are asked to find the value of x. Please, I want you to pay attention. If you have a equals to square root of b, if you want to get the value of b, what do? You square both sides, right? You square both sides. Is that not it? So b will be equals to a squared. Is that not it? Now, we have the square root of 5 multiplied by the square root of 5 multiplied by the square root of 5 equals to 125 raised to the power of x. The first step is that you have to eliminate all these square roots, you understand? And that will happen by squaring. Are you getting it? So let us square both sides. This squared and this squared, okay? So this square will eliminate this square root. So I'm going to have 5 roots 5 roots 5 equals to 125 multiplied by, now listen to me carefully, according to law of indices, a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c can be written as a raised to the power of bc. Do you understand? So 125 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2 can be written as 125 raised to the power of 2x, because that will be 2 times x. Do you understand? Okay, now we still have to square it again, because we still have 2 square roots. Do you understand? And we cannot proceed to solve the question without taking out the square root. So we have to eliminate the square root by squaring. Are you getting it? So let's take the square root one more. By the time we are done, we are going to have 5 squared will be 5 squared. The square is going to eliminate this. So I'm going to have dot 5 dot square root of 5 equals to 125 raised to the power of 2x. Okay, 125 raised to the power of 2x raised to the power of 2. Do you understand? Okay, now please pay attention. According to law of indices again, if you have a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c, you are still going to use the same law, apply the same here. So for this, I'm going to have 5 squared multiplied by 5 multiplied by root of 5 equals to 125 raised to the power of 4x. Do you understand? Because 2x times 2 will give me 4x. Okay, now we still have to square again. Do you understand? We still have to square again. So for this, I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of 4. Are you getting it? Multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2. Now this square, we eliminate this square. So I'm going to have multiplied by 5 equals to 125 raised to the power of 4x multiplied by, to the power of 2. Do you understand? Okay, so for this, I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of 4 times 5 raised to the power of 2 times 5 raised to the power of 1. According to law of indices, a raised to the power of b times a raised to the power of c equals to a raised to the power of b plus c. Hence, this one, I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1, because this 5 can be written as 5 raised to the power of 1. Do you get it? So I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to, now, we are still going to apply this law here. 125 raised to the power of 4x to the power of 2 can be written as 125 raised to the power of 4x times 2. 4x times 2 is 8x. So I'm going to have 125 raised to the power of 8x. Do you understand? Okay, now, don't forget that 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power of 3. Do you get it? So I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7, equals to 5 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 8x. Do you get it? Okay, 5 raised to the power of 7 equals to 5 raised to the power of 3 times 8x. That is what? 24x. 24x, okay? Now, you can equate the base, because according to law of indices, a raised to the power of b equals to a raised to the power of c. B will be equals to c. So I'm going to have 7 equals to 24x. Okay, to get the value of x, divide by 24. This over 24, x equals to 7 over 24, which is the solution to that question. Do you understand? Okay, so I'm very sure if you come across this kind of question in exam, you'll be able to solve it. So before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share the video, and also drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.